We met accidentally, that is the title of the story of today. Let's go. I met him accidentally, not knowing that we could turn good friends. I know only by name until one day I realized that we've been too close. Not a single secret to each other. I never thought that you would be true to me the way you do now. I am confused. Who really are you in my life? I am already engaged, and as time goes by, feels strange. I think I am falling for you. But how can I feel this? I was not supposed to love you. You're too good to be true. I thought I was the only one who feel this way. One day you got the courage to tell me that you love me dearly. I want to cry of what I heard. It can't be true. You also got a girlfriend then. Same with me. I tried not to be fallen for you, cause I know I am just hurting myself now. You and your girlfriend broke up. You told me that I am the only one in your heart and mind. But still, I can't love you freely. I still love him. I guess it's not the right time for us. The love we felt was right, but we felt it in a wrong time. I wish though we're not together, these special feeling would remain in our thoughts and in our hearts. Just remember that I have loved you dearly as far as I know. Let me know that you enjoyed this story. Just leave comment, like and share. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Me as storyteller, I was Victory. Thank you for watching.